Hey there plant friends, welcome back to the Plant Prince PH, your go-to channel for cactus care. In today's video, we're diving into the world of biostimulants, a miraculous substance that horticulturists and cactus growers in Thailand, Japan, and Taiwan have been incorporating into their routines, often in conjunction with fertilizers. So what exactly are biostimulants? Biostimulants are substances applied to plants or soil with the goal of enhancing nutrient uptake, improving stress tolerance, increasing resistance to disease and pests, promoting root development, and enhancing flower, fruit, and seed quality. How do biostimulants differ from fertilizer? Firstly, in terms of composition. Fertilizers contain essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, as well as secondary and micronutrients. They are designed to directly provide plants with the nutrient they need for optimal growth. Biostimulants, on the other hand, are not a source of primary nutrients. Instead, they consist of diverse substances such as plant extract, microorganisms, amino acid, humic acids, and seaweed extract. These substances work to enhance the plant physiological processes. Secondly, their primary function differs. The primary function of fertilizer is to supply plants with essential nutrients that may be deficient in the soil mix. Meanwhile, biostimulants do not provide direct nutritional support. Instead, they stimulate various physiological and biochemical processes within the plants, leading to improved nutrient uptake, stress tolerance, and overall plant performance. What are examples of biostimulants? There are various examples of biostimulants available in the market. There are those that made from seaweed extracts, humic substances, amino acid, plant growth regulators, and plant extracts. Some of the popular brands in the Asian market are HB101, T-Rex Early Quiz Vitamin B1, and Siam Early Grow. When to apply biostimulants? I often use Siam Early Grow and T-Rex Vitamin B1 during seed sowing, watering newly repotted cacti, and on a monthly basis. Today, I'll be demonstrating the application of Siam Early Grow. It contains 3 indole butyric acid or IBA, 1 naphthalene acetic acid or ANA, and vitamin B1. IBA and ANA are synthetic plant growth regulators or plant hormones that belong to the auxin family. These are used in the horticulture and agriculture to influence plant growth and development. Here are the benefits of Siam Early Grow. First, it stimulates root growth, helps plants establish quickly, induces early flowering, and reduces transplant shock. How to apply Siam Early Grow? Since we are dealing with cactus, I highly recommend practicing minimal application with a lower concentration. The recommended dosage for this is 1 tablespoon for every 1 gallon. I use 50% of the recommended dosage. For example, this water is 4 gallons. Thus, I'll be mixing 2 tablespoons of Siam Early Grow. If you remember from our previous cactus care video, I usually water my cactus before applying fertilizer. This technique also applies when I am using biostimulants. You have to water the cactus first, then water it again with the solution. I do this to avoid root shock. In other plants, they use this as foliar or apply it through spraying. But I don't recommend this method of application when dealing with cactus, especially if you have cactus with hairs since it might stain them. Do I recommend using biostimulants? Well, renowned cactus grower in Thailand, Japan, and Taiwan swear by them, and based on my experiences, they've proven effective especially for stabilizing newly repotted cacti. I also noticed that my cacti still looks plump and healthy even if I don't water them during my busy months. This is probably because of their healthy root system. However, keep in mind that what works for me may not work for everyone. It's important to note that the effectiveness of biostimulants can vary depending on the genus, specific product formulation, and your environmental condition. Research, experiment, and enjoy gardening. I'll catch you in our next video. Happy planting!